Spirit Mania. Ah! This week we're going to throw you a little softball featuring a cool product made at the Maine Craft Distillery called Blueshine. This is the Blueshine Lemonade. In a mason jar, or whatever you want, full of ice, please add 2 ounces of Blueshine blueberry liqueur. This is made by Maine Craft Distillers, and it is a blueberry and maple syrup liqueur. It is delicious. So 2 ounces of this. And 1 ounce of American Craft vodka made by Lone Pine. Now we're gonna top it off with lemonade, but we're gonna leave a little room at the top for some soda water so it has a little spritz. We're gonna use Santa Cruz Organic, because organic. Crack a soda pop! Yo! And some blueberries. Delicious. This Blueshine really is a tasty liqueur. It tastes and smells like blueberries, and then it's using the maple syrup as a sweetener, which is a nice sweetness. It's not overbearing. The American Craft vodka gives it a little, vodka kick, which is great, raises up a notch, and then just delicious lemonade, a little more sweetness, some tartness. This is a nice little Labor Day, labor-free situation.